In this lesson, we're going to add some color, and for this example, I'm going to go into Room Accessories and go into the Plants category and pull on one of our flowers. And also, I want to insert an image of flowers. There. Now, I'm going to zoom in so that you can see this a little bit better. Okay, now I want to start adding color to that plant. And I can show you how flexible the Dream Draper design system is. If I highlight that plant, and those flowers. Now notice I am up here on my default black arrow. If I want to start adding color, I can click on my properties box over here on the right side. I'll click on it and I'll stick that push pin because I want to keep that properties box out. There you go. To add color, I'm just going to click on my color button here. And notice my plants turned gray. That's the default color. If I want to change the color, I can just double click on my gray box, my color box there, and my palette will open up and I can start changing the color. But I have other options. Now what I'm going to do in this example is I'm going to change my arrow. I'm on the default black arrow here, and I'm going to change to the third arrow. Again, every time you change arrows, click away. Now I can change all of these flowers at once. I just clicked on it with the third arrow, and I can go in and I'll select my color button over here in my properties bar. And again, it turned to the default color, but I'm just going to grab that eyedropper and maybe I'll pick, a beautiful pink. There! I'm not done. I have even more options. This time, I'm going to go up and I'm going to change to my second arrow. Again, you change arrows, you click away. Now, I can come in and I can individually select a flower and change the colors. And maybe I'll use this kind of purplish color. And I can go in and I can grab another flower and I'll pick up maybe this yellow. And here's a great example here over on the right. There are actually two flowers. I'm going to grab this back flower. Oops! I grabbed the whole thing. There! I grab the back flower and I can come in and maybe I'll grab a red, a deep red. And I can grab the front flower and, maybe I'll grab this kind of apricot or peachy color. There! So you see we have total, what we call design freedom. You are absolutely not restricted as to how you color our designs. And we will show you an example of how you can detail our designs totally to the way you want. And remember, you have complete design freedom. You can color any portion of the design. There are no restrictions. And you can do so without having to ungroup your design. And remember, when you're done doing the detail work, just go back to your normal default design mode, which is the black arrow. And always, after changing arrows, click away so that nothing is highlighted and you're ready to start designing something else.